That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
What's up? It's your boy Dave Mo. Dave Mo Flips coming at you with another one. Man, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. I'm excited as fuck today. Check it out. Let's get into this right away because I gotta actually go. I pulled over in this little spot. Anyway, 8 months in, right? 8 months in of using someone else's license. I had the first big letdown. So we're on ACV. Someone buys a car. They don't pay for it. It's a $400 piece of shit. It's a 2007 Nissan Maxima, 115,000 miles TMU, needs a transmission, and $400 to have it transported. All right, and that's the ACV price. That's not a real number. That's like if you're new to the game and you have no other way of getting the car, that's what you would pay. You know what I mean? Like, that's not real. If you guys are paying the ACV transport, you don't know about U-Ship. You don't know how to talk to people. Like, I had a subscriber actually pick up 3 of the cars, and we're gonna get into that in the next video. But so far, I don't have his information in front of me. I was like, be giving him shout outs left and right now. Next video, I got him. Keep the money in the family. So anyway, for about 18 hours, they're going back and forth. Who paid for the car? I didn't pay for the car. Blah, 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 blah. I know who bought the car. All right. Everyone has the type of car they buy. So this person's a bottom feeder, and that's fine. You know, that's fine. What happened was, with our group, when a car comes up for auction or whatever, you got to put a bid in right away to block everybody else from bidding on the car. And then you start going through the car and you see if you're going to put another bid or not, whatever. It's a shitty setup, but it's just the way you can do it so we don't bid against each other. So what ended up happening was, the car came up. It was a 07 Nissan Maxima with 115,000 miles. As you start reading it, you realize it's got a bad transmission, the mileage is TMU, and it's got a rebuilt title. And then the transport's $400. So the car was $300. They put $350. I'm sure they did not think they were going to win, but they did. They won the car for $350. Now they won't say who won the car, right? So it's going on and on and on and on in this group message. So finally, me being the man that I am, I'm like, listen, we're all a team here, all right? So since none of you motherfuckers want to man up and say, yo, I did it, right? Why don't each of us take the $50 hit or whatever it is, and we'll just buy the car. And when it sells, you'll get your money back. And, you know, if there's profit, we could whack it up between all of us. Or, you know, go out to eat dinner, or fucking buy shit for the shop, or who gives a fuck? Really, seriously? How much money is it going to be? All right? No one wanted that. One person, my boy Joe. That's my boy, man. My boy Joe's like, yo, I'm down. I'll do that. You know what I mean? All right, cool. No one else wanted it, right? So it keeps going on and on and on and on and on and on and on. How many times are you going to say, not me? Finally, like, yo, you know what? Fuck it. Here's the $400 for the car. It was $350 plus $50 ACV fee plus $26 to fuck. And then, so again, yo, hear me out. I said, fuck it. I'll just pay for the car. Fuck this shit. So I paid for it. I'm thinking that the owner of the dealership's a real one, right? So I'm thinking, if I'm the owner of the dealership, my man just paid for the car, I'm cracking everybody. I'm shutting ACV down. I'm changing the password. As far as I'm concerned, if you want ACV access at this point, your penalty for not stepping up as a team player is $100 ACV access. I guarantee you, when you crack these motherfuckers, $100 for the password, the ability to buy cars from ACV, I promise you they're going to be a lot more careful when they're placing bids. Okay? They're going to be looking out after each other like, yo, don't fucking bid on the car if you don't want it. Right? Plus, the owner would have just, 10 guys, well, 9 because I paid, he would have just made $900 on top, right? He would have probably bought the car for himself, but he didn't do any of that. He let it ride like, yo, all right, so Dave bought the car. Boom, done. End of story. But to me, that's not the end of the story. You should have cracked them. You should have manned up. You should have cracked them. I apologize. I had a call. So I'm thinking, right, that the owner's going to crack them, you know? And that's what you should do. You know, I'm from an old school. You fuck up, you don't come from, you get cracked. You pay the penalty, all right? Everyone pays the penalty. Everyone pays the fine. You're a team, right? It's a team game. Everyone pays it. He didn't do it. It left such a bad taste in my mouth. And it left an even worse taste in my mouth with these other fucking guys. Like, I really can't explain it. It's like how you look in the mirror and call yourself a man, and you just try to you tried to lose the license for everybody, right? That's what you could have did. Then on top of that, my man is still charging me the $26 ACV fee that he makes, right? And on top of that, I still got to pay the $200 fee when the car fucking sells. I'm more mad at myself at this point now because I'm like, damn, clearly this motherfucker's got no love, right? No love for someone looking out for him. No love at all, period. And no balls, right? So, yo, think about this for a second. If those motherfuckers fucked over the owner, right? What do you think they're doing to me? What do you think they're doing to each other? I can't be surrounded by shit like that because I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. It's going to go sideways. It's going to go sideways because I'm an individual. Not to come across like one of these YouTube tough guys, right? Because I'm not a tough guy, period. What I am is a person that speaks his mind. I was brought up in an area where we asked why. We didn't just do shit because someone said to do shit. Why? Why don't you do it if you want it? You know what I'm saying? Like we ask why. We question the system. We're that mindset. We're not sheep. We were brought up in my area to have a backbone, stand up for yourself. So now I know myself, it's a matter of time before I'm in that situation, I'm in that office, and I say to all of them, yo, you guys are all bitches. You're all fucking cowards. I got zero respect for you. Zero respect for you. I want to piss on you to put you out of fire if that was the case. And I don't even want to get on that shit, you know what I'm saying? Because that's just going to really get me upset. But what I learned is I can't be around it. I'm a team player, don't get me wrong. Like if my man is making money, I'm the happiest person in the world. The same way if I'm making money, my man should be happy. You feel me? That's a team. All right? That's a team. I want to go out to eat dinner, fat reference. I want to go out to eat dinner with men and women that argue. Well, not, as a man, I always pay the bill, but that's not the point. But I want to break bread with people and argue over who's going to pay the check. Not argue over, I don't have enough money, I bought this. I want to argue like, nah, I got it. No, I got it. No, I got it. That's how it should be. That's how it's been my whole life. That's the people I surround myself with. People that make money and want to pay for stuff. And you're not someone taking advantage of it. You know what I mean? Like you want to pay, like you're the one who goes up to the waiter like, yo, here's my card. Don't let no one pay. I got this. On the sneak. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you don't hang out with people that you notice are never ever paying. Because they're not cut from the same cloth. They're not built like us. All right? So, that was the major thing right there. And that's why I decided I'm going to open up my own dealership. Fuck it. I know last video I said, why would I leave? And you know what? God answered my question. This is why I leave. This is why. Because when the people did that, when the reps did that, and then the owner didn't step up to do the right thing, nah, they don't respect the owner, and the owner don't respect, nothing. So, why be a part of that? Why be mixed in with that? So, you guys let me know, what you think. Also, but other than that, guys, I'm still true to it. Given the opportunity that you can go in there and be a rep for someone and try to make some money and learn the game, absolutely do it. Do it. Take advantage of it. There's so much I've learned. There's so much that's gone on positive there. That, it's good. If this never happened, I'd probably be staying. But with that being said, you sell 7 cars at $200 a car. I made $1,400 for that man. I handed that man $1,400 for nothing. Plus my $350. So it's $1,750. If I could catch a place for $2,000 a month, and just keep, you know, selling cars the way we're selling cars, and I should have no problem making the rent. Even if I don't sell a car, I come up with $2,000 to pay the rent. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're always gonna sell. Plus, I'm gonna have some of my own reps. I'm only gonna have 6 guys, six individuals, and you know, I think we're gonna go with either Street Dreams Automotive or Dream Team Autos. And the way it's gonna be is like you should want to get down with my team. I'm not gonna have like, oh, I want reps, I need rep. That's not my mindset. My mindset is you need us, because if you're down with this team, you're gonna make money because we look out for each other. You know what I'm saying? Like, I am my brother's keeper. I know it came from a movie, but it's true. Like, if you're on the team, you got people behind you. The same way you're behind us, we're behind you. We back your play, you back our play. We got you. We move as a unit like it's no problem. So that's the one thing. A lot of the fees will probably stay the same that I'm already paying. You know, I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna show you a quick little video of a lot I found by mistake. We're in negotiations now. Apparently, a lot of people don't want to rent to car dealers because they think it's not good, that we're not doing good business. The place where I'm at already sold 40 some odd cars, right? So, I mean, just do the math for a second. They sold 40 cars, that's $8,000, plus 10 guys paying $350, that's $3,500. Their overhead is $3,500, includes all. So the owner profited $8,000 for not even selling a car. Do I want to get to that point? Nah. I think, you know, I mean, yeah, I don't want the 10 reps. I want 6 guys, 6 reps. And if we could sell that many cars, great. The more cars we sell, the more money I make, the more money the guys make, right? Everyone makes money. Everyone eats. So with that being said, guys, it's unfortunate. I do believe my time with this group is coming to an end. One door closes, another opens. I'm going to be getting, you know, my own spot, hopefully here within the next 2 months. You guys will be able to see the whole thing. And with that being said, man, tell me what you think. Street Dreams Automotive or Dream Team Auto Sales or something to that effect. Vic, I got your text. Don't you worry, man. I got you. I'll figure something out, man. I got you. Joe, you already know the deal. You already know. And, you know, that's it. We're gonna move like a team, like a real team should. You know, like a real team should. Finance and buy here, pay here, the whole 9 yards. We'll be breaking some bread. Any which way, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. As always, take care of yourself. Take care of your loved ones. Stay masked up. This shit is crazy. All right, I'm out of here. All right, so here's what we're looking at now. We got all this space. Gonna move this truck, putting up a fence from that rack right there, straight to the back there, and all this. Office could go right there. It's actually pretty big. Enough space for quite a bit of cars. Quite a bit. So, take a look. So I'm walking to the front. This is Nebraska Avenue. Plenty of traffic right here at that corner, 275. That's an interstate down here. So you can see you got all that. Oh, and you got that sign right there at the bottom on it. So that's it, all the way to the back. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a lot. It is a lot. Definitely a lot. Looking at about a month out. So here's one spot we're looking at right now.
That's my best friend.